Hello guys, hope you are fine. Today's topic Java showing application packaging as Windows .exe installable file. For this purpose, we have several parts of this video. Part 1, Step 1, build a showing application and collect your Java jar file. Okay. Now we have already built our Java application and just run this. Okay. Just our application is ready. So next we shall collect jar file from here. Before collecting your jar, you of course will determine what is your main class of this application. So here my mainframe is JFrame main. So you will also decide which page will open first from your application. Okay, hope you understand. Now you will clean and build your application, and then your application is ready to get a jar file. Just look here, showing JFrame menu dist. Here is the location dist, and you will get the jar file from your application. So now we are ready for next step, and we shall keep here our jar file. Okay, our jar file is ready for going to next step. Now its step 1 is done. Now step 2, part 2 and step 2, download Launch4j application from here. So just copy the link or write the Launch4j and just click here. Okay, and this application will be downloaded soon. I have already downloaded, so at this moment just save and it will be downloaded here. Okay, and look, download, and at this moment open Launch4j and make an exe file from your showing application. So before open the Launch4j, we have to install it. So at this moment we shall install the software. Look, just we shall install it very easily as others Windows application. Okay, run. So Launch4j 3.11 version, just start, and we shall create our, here is the output file. So where suppose here we shall make a folder output, and suppose our file name is test.exe or jmenu.exe. Suppose, no problem, we can give any name for this purpose. Okay, and here is the location of our jar file, which file we want to exe from. Okay, and we can give an icon. At this moment we do not need to provide any icon here, but we can give any icon if we have. Okay, no problem, and this field is not necessary here and not necessary, and at this moment we have to provide the JRE path. So look for our JRE path. Here is Java. Okay, JRE, there's the JRE location or JRE path here, and just go to there and just paste here. Okay, and we have to confirm our minimum SDK GRE version. It is the maximum GRE version, and here we shall provide a look. This is the format of GRE version 1.7.0_0. Okay, and no need anything here, and you can also set your details here, but at this point we do not need these details. Okay, so just look here, it is the built wrapper. Okay, at this moment we just click here, and we shall give no problem, that is a file name at xml or cfg.cfg. It's not necessary and important for us. Okay, successfully created jmenu.exe. We need this one for next step. Okay, done, and we do not need launch_j anymore for this purpose. At this moment we just return our folder, and we see here is jmenu. Okay, if we want to open, just it generally open without any trouble, no problem, and it's not our purpose. We can open our jmenu jar file like this way. So we are just waiting for next step. Okay, our purpose is to make a executable installable jar exe file, not executable jar file. Okay, so at this moment open launch_j and make an exe file. So it is done. It is done actually, and at this moment part 3 and step 4, download INNO setup from this URL. So and install. So we shall now download the application INNO setup for our next step. Just look at this, and we just install this software. Just you will follow this. Okay, it's you know also it is actually easy and launch INNO setup, so it will matter no matter. Okay, just we shall create a new one. So next, now what is our application name? Application name, our jmenu application app, suppose, and suppose our version 1.5.0, and suppose our company name IDB Inc. Okay, and here our website name IDB. Okay, and next step, just you will next you will go next, but you can also sense here, and you can experiment later after building a test application. Okay, just look for. So now you will select exe file, that is the exe file built from jar file. So we shall choose this one at this moment. Look, this is exe file. Okay, from an exe file we shall build an executable exe file. Okay, so if we have any more folders, then we would add from here, add files or folder. Since in this scenario we don't have any files, so there is no question to add any files or folder here. At this moment, just next, and allow user to create a quick launch shortcut, older version of Windows. So if we want to let the user to make a quick launch shortcut icon in our desktop area, so we shall check this one, of course check for better understanding, and go. And here is the license files if you have any, and here is the information file before installation if you have any, and there is the information file shown after installation, then you have any, just you will So at this moment we don't have any, so we shall not add anything here. And next just we shall select our language English, and you can select your desired language. Okay, at this moment custom compile output folder, just we shall add here output folder, and here we shall give a name for our exe file. Here is setup or your JMenu setup. Suppose here JMenu setup and custom icon. Okay, it is the that is our icon, and here is the password, so we can give a password for this purpose, and just next. Okay, we are done at this moment, so we shall check our application. So we don't need this at this moment, so we are done. Installable file is ready, so we shall install our exe file, and at this moment just look, this is our JMenu setup file application, and it will be installable Windows file. So at this moment we have to give our password. Suppose if we mistake our password, then it will not allow you, so we have to give a proper password which we set. Okay, and just next, just as a Windows application, create a desktop setup file. Okay, next, and launch our JMenu application. At this moment, look, it is working fine. Wow. And at this moment just look, here is our menu app. We have given this name in the time of making our exe file, and look here our menu app, that is installed here. So we can create we can click here, and then we can open our app from there. So our Java sewing application is now installable and already have installed, and now we are enjoying this. So you can also build this way your Windows installable Java application, and there is the icon, and we can click here, and the application is opened now. So if you have any question and you have any confusion and you have understanding issue, then please comment, write a comment, and if you have any issue for further understanding, then of course ask me. Thank you for watching. Okay, and one important thing is this. For application build part, I have another video at YouTube here. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye.